Yeah, so you know people don't big up on themselves. Me not care one blood clot. You think it really matter to fucking me? Look how me fat and furious. I want me to you. Things so that about me. Look how my belly fat and me have no food. Me not hungry. I mean I live outdoors, so it really matter, right my friend?
Right.
Right. You know what come talk but you're not ready yet. Your body wall not ready yet. Your stinking pussy wall not ready yet. You stretch out body wall where you take false dick in and ready to leave me alone. Right, huh? I'm still I say big up Gully Bop if you not like it. Fuck off. Yeah, so me eat a lot of food as you know. And everybody know that my belly is a what? A food basket. And I like to eat, so it doesn't really matter. So today I said to myself, oh, I'm so fat and furious, you know. I don't want to be like some people, you know what I mean? I call nobody name. So I decided to make a come and do a little stretch and the exercise. When the exercise name, my friend, give it one name for me. Give it one name for me, baby.
The sex exercise.
Sex exercise?
Yes.
A sex exercise, you say. Ay, I'm sorry. God damn. I'm heavy. I hit the ground like fuck.
That hurts. Wow. Damn.
Yo, when I eat food, you know, and you not exercise a lot, that shit is not funny, yo. Yo, me eat the ground like, come here, tell if I little bit. And when they also up a little bit more, you know, me just get fucked, me I telling them my youth. Yes, sexy, me like your style. Boy, catch a body, catch a body. Sexy. Let me, the boy got, I want to him say yes. So what my boy look good though? Say catch a boy, this is what people want to do. But I'm just them gay and them fucking straight. I say catch a boy, catch a boy. When I'm gay and straight to make a difference, but I try to fuck him. And just stretch it body like this. And if you're fat, you roll off the fat. You just keep rolling your fat. Why? Right?
Right.
I have to roll it back. And the fat to come off. Why? Why? Like a tumbleton. And the whole of me dirty. If I figure out type my ear and the whole of the ear, Jesus Christ. No, sir. Alright, wait. 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 Everybody, wait. No man, the body, every baby. Boy. Ah, yes, me, yes. You mean some minute dead that me every sort of come close again. Like, you see me good?
Good.
Alright. Boy. And people, we're going to stretch. One. Oh, we're going to stretch it. And two. Okay? Okay. Alright. Yes, people. I think I've lost at least a pound already. You think so? About a pound, right? Think I took off like a pound just now?
Yeah, man.
Can you see me good?
Yes.
Alright. Sure you can see me picnic? Alright, people, me love you know. England, big up on yourself. I have no fun at England. No fun at England. Big up on yourself. I have no fun at Trinidad. Big up on yourself. I have no fun at Grenada and all them places there. All over Jamaica, no fun. On a big up on yourself. Big up on yourself like I'm my body big now. Boy. So today we want to do a stretch and we call this electric stretch. You understand? And we're going to use one leg and I'm going to put it up. Oh, God almighty. Oh, shit. I thought I could have done it, you know.
Besides, you gotta go around.
I'm only sitting at my bad man because first I'm going to do it. It's like I'm suffering. I'm totally suffering. No man, I suffer man, no drive. I suffer man, blow. One. Wow, man. If somebody sleep on my leg and broke my leg and I'm not like. Really? And you pull up. Once you get it like this, you can't just pull it, you have to take your time. And you get to the top. And And you hold it there and try to bring it back. And you put this one down. Once you do like that, you take time and you bring it back until you get it here. Once you get it here, you put it back. Slowly and stretch it. Right? And you stretch it. And you stretch it, right? Back and back and back. Until you get the angle. You get back here and push it. More. See? Once you do that, you let down this one. And you put up the other one, which I don't know because it hurts. Oh! And you pull it back. And you pull it back. And you pull it back until you hold this one. Until you let that, you stretch it. And you stretch it. Over and over. And you stretch it. Right? Let it go. After you do that now, I'll get up, my fat ass. We really don't want to sound like some people out of breath. So I'm going to try to do something. And once we get to that, now I feel a little bit, a little stretch help my legs, and I feel more like, fuck you, bitch. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, so that is it, you know, so better than stretch your leg out, I want to stretch it some more. I'm going to, this is my way. If I tell you to do it and go block your foot and go and call, tell like promise and me say I go do it. That is not my permission. Don't try this fuck at home. An old bitch could get a leg break. Please don't try that at home. Yeah, so basically me do like this. One a back and one a front. A long time me not do this, you know. Long time because so fat me get. Right? And then when me do that, I go push down and I go squeeze. You see that? Yeah. So, and then I go down. And each time I go down, like a machine. Right? Down. Right? I'm going to draw out this one. And I'm going to stretch the next one the same way. Right? See my foot, see everything, right? So, okay. So, same thing I got to do now. Right? I'm going to do this. I kind of unbalance, but I'm going to try balance it. I'm going to push it. Let me push it. Okay. Whew. So guys, I'll show you some other more steps, a little bit this, a little bit that. But right now I'm gonna cut because you can see a fat bitch is out of breath. Thank you.